Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wistia account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently cancel your Wistia account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to permanently cancel your Wistia account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's pretty common to switch over to different service providers. So maybe you want to go ahead and cancel your Wistia account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wistia dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wistia account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and permanently cancel your Wistia account, here on the top right, you're going to click on your company name. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on the settings button. Looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see another menu here on the left, and you want to click on this button here called Cancel. Okay, once you do that, Wistia is going to warn you you're going to lose access to these services according to your account if you cancel your account. If you're okay with that, click on Continue to Cancel. Okay, once you do that, Wistia is going to ask why you're canceling your account, so you can go ahead and just choose whichever one applies to you, and then click on the red Cancel button. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using my Wistia account. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to permanently cancel your Wistia account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.